Custom preferences in Sematext Cloud. Sematext Cloud is designed to be an all-in-one monitoring tool. And with that, we want your experience with Sematext Cloud to be seamless and customizable to your liking. To change the way the user interface looks in the Sematext Cloud, all you have to do is change your preferences in the Settings tab. This can be found in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen near the Settings icon. Click on that and go into Preferences. Here you can customize the way information is displayed across all of your Sematext apps. Starting with the display settings, you can change the theme from light to dark. Below that, you can see the table density settings. This settings will set the styling for how compact all of your data is inside of tables. You can select between comfortable, cozy, or compact. If you're not satisfied with the way that they look, you can always come back and change them later. Below this is the table appearance settings. This setting changes the background color of every other row in tables to make them easier to read. Below that, you can change the time format between 12 and 24-hour clocks. Note that changing the time format in your account does not affect the actual log data. It only affects the user interface for this account in the Sematext Cloud. Going further down the page, you will see an area where you can change the default colors for charts and graphs. Here you can choose from a selection of color palettes to be your default color scheme for your charts and graphs. You can fully customize and save individual components and reports with colors you choose in the chart creator. This simply changes the color of charts and graphs that use the default color. And with that, you have successfully customized your preferences within the Sematext Cloud. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out to us. Hope you enjoy, and as always, keep monitoring, everybody.